Hi, today we'll install and see how we can use a dripping add-on for Mars 3D printer. It is designed to save resin, washing agents, and keep your workplace tidy. Let's see how it works. All you need is to loosen the built plate knob screw. Remove the plate from the arm. Tilt the build plate. Attach it to the dripper. You can also adjust the position of the plate horizontally and across the vertical axis as shown in the end of the video. Tighten the knob screw a little. It is also easy to install it using the 2 bolts at the top of the printer's guide rail and the Allen key supplied with the printer. Just unscrew the bolts. Remove the rail's top cover. We'll use these holes to attach the device. This is how it looks. It consists of 2 aluminium plates and 3 bolts with some nuts. Now replace the rail top cover, tighten the bolts and you are ready to go. This is how it fits inside. It will not touch the printer's lid on the side or on top. The clearances to the build plate arm are minimum possible, that provides the highest possible position of the build plate above the resin tank and maximum possible tilt angle. As I said, the device is made of 2 aluminium plates. The design is very simple, requiring only 9 holes to drill, 3 bolts and 9 nuts. This is the bottom plate that holds the build plate. This is the top plate that holds the bottom plate. This plate will be attached to the guide rail. You can assemble the dripper following the sequence shown here. You can use bolts of suitable sizes or cut them later if they are too long. These dimensions are shown to achieve the required tilt angle. To make the plates, you can print out this drawing that is available via the link in the description of the video. Don't forget to set 100% scale for printing. Print and attach the drawing to the plate pre-cut to size, drill the holes using the template. The 3 holes in the bottom plate must be drilled at an angle of about 55 degrees as shown in the picture. You can also use other drawings attached via the link showing detailed dimensions of both plates. Thanks for watching.